It's, I don't know, drinking beer and stroopwafels, eating them at the same time. I think that's sacrilege in some countries.
So we're here at the beer race at Windmill Windup, which is one of the most famous events we have. And the beer race is being explained right now by the captain there, Tom, who's sort of one of the chief masterminds of how the beer race works. Dear Wayne the Barbarian, please send our former barbarian Kuhn a nice hello message.
During the leapfrog, so please do a quick leapfrog, otherwise he will punish you. Dun, dun, dun.
Amazing. I don't even want to know what that guy does in his spare time. It's just insane. Just keep your eyes on lane 3. Limerick Jim out there with the skirt is looking hot.
And they're up. Yeah, Limerick Jim starting off well. Some people actually collapse, Hilko, after this initial start.
It's a rookie mistake. It's what you want to do. You want to make sure you have enough space between you and your teammate. Now here we go. You see Limerick Jim, as I predicted, he is off. Yeah.
The bikes are gone. The bikes are gone. Oh, here we have lane 4. Taking the lead here. A bit wobbly, followed by lane 1 and lane 5. It's looking good. They arrived at the first beer station.
A lot of side saddle riding. Oh no, we have a bike down. He's dragging. And there's Wayne the Barbarian. He's insulting people. What language does Wayne the Barbarian insult?
It's either German or Dutch. I never can tell the difference.
You got this! Use your saliva! Oh, it's like right!
Here we go.
What? Oh my god.
Lane number 1 has a huge head start. All they have to do is knock over the cone. The other teams are rushing in, trying to get there.
It's just knocking over the cone.
It's just knocking over the cone, which can be so hard after one soap opera, 2 beers, and some frog jumps. Lane number 1, the top seed, reigning champions of last year. They're the team to watch out for. I've noticed that they're using my bike, which I didn't know was in this race, and I'm just hoping it's going to survive.
Statistically, you could be in trouble.
Very much so. I would have no way to get home.
Come on, dear, you're better than that!
It's not over, is it, Hilko?
It's going to be a while. I think they have to sculpt at least 1 more beer.
How long will we be here watching this shit?
New champion this year.
What's your name is? Andrea? How were you able to win the beer race? Tell us some secrets.
It's just small bites and chewing.
Small bites of chewing. Sure. Small bites of chewing. How do you feel about that?
Oh, I couldn't do that.
Okay.
I just checked the beer.
Okay. All right. Here's the prize. Cheers. Together.
Just getting everybody there, dancing their ass off, trying to get all the poses, and not being last. I gotta be there. It's crazy.
Explain, because Mingle Mingle is this mess of bouncing around against each other and then posing in uncomfortable and perhaps embarrassing poses.
Jet ski. Standing over, feet apart, and she's coming up a little bit. Pull the jet ski up. Usually when you get someone sixth position of this year's windmill is the sexual wheelbarrow. Everybody knows a regular wheelbarrow. Please show us a regular wheelbarrow. Okay, at the end of, hold on, don't move, don't move. Now, Kate, get it closer. The person who is yelling has to make a trunk. Yes, make a trunk.
Nico, you just won Windmill Windup 2009. How do you feel?
It was intense. I couldn't have done it without Hannah.
What was the secret for that sexual wheelbarrow at the end?
Super supple. Super supple.
Oh.
We worked on this.
Right. Well, congratulations. That was amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Very much.